Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the keyboard on your smartphone, then tap on the settings icon on the keyboard. From here, just tap on languages. Now just tap on add a keyboard. And from here, just select any language which you want to add to the keyboard. For an example, I will select this language, then tap on done. Now you can add multiple languages to your keyboard, just like that. Now to switch between the languages on your keyboard, just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. And from here you will find a globe icon on the keyboard on your smartphone. To switch between the languages, just tap on the globe icon and you will switch between the languages on your keyboard, just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.